if you're planning to get a Forex trading signal platform where you can be sending signals to people, or you want to start a full-time Forex trading platform, then I recommend you actually get this very script. Is that okay? You get this very script. It is loaded, trust me. Now you have your packages, you have your plans, and if you scroll down, you have your trading widget, and it works automatically from the user dashboard. So this is your landing page, and the UI UX is awesome. It is user friendly, and so let me just go to the user dashboard. So this is how your user dashboard is going to look like. From your left, you see all signal, you see trade, you see plan, deposit, withdraw. Now, if you click on signal, any signal that you get is going to appear here. So you can make use of the signal from this place. And then if you click on trade, you can actually see your trading here. Now you see your BTC, ET, USDT, depending on what you set. So after clicking on it, the next thing is for you to click on place order. Then you select the timing that you want. You can either buy or you can either sell, then you confirm. Now you can choose your plans. If you want to subscribe to any plan, your user can actually choose their plans. You can actually make your deposits. You select the deposit that you want. Then your withdraw, if you want to withdraw, you select the method of withdrawal you want to use. So I'll quickly take you to the admin dashboard so that you see how the admin dashboard look like. This is your admin dashboard. From here you can manage your plans. There you can add other plans. From here you're going to see signal tools, is market type, currency pair, time frame, and signal. So from this place you can actually set your signals. You can create your signals and you send it. Now once you create your signal and send it, it's going to appear on your user dashboard here. Is that okay? Then from here you can manage affiliates. Then you can manage payments here. You see online payment, you see offline payment. From this place you can manage deposit, online and offline deposit. Then withdraw, as many that place withdraw, you can see the withdraw here. Then you can see your users in this very place. As many users that you've got, you can actually see them from that very place. Then if you scroll down, your email notification, you can actually check your email notification. You can see your payment gateway here. Then you can manage the setting on this very site. Now the good aspect of this is this here, you can actually change the theme. If you don't like this very design, you can actually come back and change your design. So before that, let's talk about the KYC. If you want to enable your KYC, if you come to other settings, you can see like to change the footer words here, the fonts, blah 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 blah, and everything. Then your cron job, very very important. So you can actually set your cron job from this very place. So let's scroll down to where we can actually manage our team. Now, if you click on this manage team, you can actually change the theme. Now the default theme we have here is this very one. Is that okay? Now if I come here and I choose light will give me like a red background. Then if I come and choose blue, it will give me another theme. So you can just play around in this very place. So let me just navigate through how you can actually install this script when you purchase this very script. Alright, so after uploading your script on your cPanel, all you need to do is extract the script, because we want to copy out the files that are inside the script. Now after extracting, delete this very zip file because we don't need this very zip file. Then reload, double click on the folder, then come to this Signal V5, open it, highlight it, and move it to your original domain. If you are using a subdomain, move it to your subdomain. If you are using a folder, move it to your folder. Like in this case, I'm using a folder. So come and delete this very one. Is that okay? Now make sure your .ht access is there and your .index. So once you are done, all you need to do is come to your browser and open your URL and /install. Now click on accept and next, then scroll down and click on next. Now on this very purchase code, it is null, so just put null. Is that okay? Put null. Now go back, let's go back to our cPanel and create a database. Now click on database wizard, then I'll just call the Signal. I'll create the username again, Signal, then your password. Make sure you remember your password. Then you click on enter. Then copy your database. My database and wizard are the same thing. Then click on this all privilege. Scroll down to make changes. Now go back to that install side here, and on your database name, put your database name. Your host should be localhost. Then your database username should be the same thing. Then your password. What is your password? Your port. What is your database port? So you need to put the port here. I think database port will be, let me check my port so that I will not do a mistake. You want to check your port, just go to PHP My Admin so that you can know your database port. Then click on that very signal. Look at your port 3306. Just click 3306. Then you scroll down, create a username for yourself. I'll use admin. Then put a password. Then put an email. Is that okay? So I'm going to use info@automaticdigital.com. Then you click on install. Make sure you follow the process. Now everything is installed. The next thing is for you to just click on visit home page. This is the default theme. Perfect. So this has to look like. So this is awesome. This is awesome. So now you know what to do. If you need this very script, just copy the WhatsApp number below this very video and reach us on our WhatsApp. You can as well join our WhatsApp channel to get updates on new scripts that are available.